How to add music on videos on CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Let's learn to add music here on CapCut. First, open the CapCut app and make sure to go on Edit option. Now from the top, tap on New Project. Select all the videos that you want and hit Add. Now, when you are on the window of CapCut, tap on Add Audio and hit on Sounds from the bottom. There you'll get a list of sounds that are popular or that relates to your videos. Select a video, listen to it for a while and hit plus if you like the video and want that on your video. And that's it. That is how you add music to your videos on CapCut. To get this video on your gallery, tap on the export button from the top right. That will lead you to getting videos on your gallery. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.